Good afternoon, everyone. Today we have Swarnika again with us.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Swarnika Dabral. I am in level 5 Abacus and today I am going to give you percentage demo.
Okay, 12% of 56.
6.72.
Yes, 6.72 is the right answer. 14% of 88.
12.32.
Yes, 12.32 is the right answer. 23% of 56.
12.88.
Yes, 12.88 is the right answer. 16% of 16% of 48.
7.68.
7.68 is the right answer. 13% of 99.
12.87.
12.87 is the right answer. Okay. 42% of 88.
36.96.
Yes, 36.96 is the right answer. Okay. 32% of 78.
24.96.
Yes, it is the right answer. Wonderful, sir, Swarnika. Wonderful.
Thank you, ma'am.